Hello and welcome to DApp. My name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of DigitalAccessPass.com, a membership plugin for WordPress. And in this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you step by step how you can quickly and easily build a membership website using DApp. You can use DApp to create and deliver all types of products and services, free, paid, subscriptions, payment plans, online courses, trainings. I'm going to build a brand new membership website using DApp, and I'll show you how I do this. So log into your members area on our site, go to the downloads tab, and here you will find your DApp license key. Make a note of that and download the DApp Easy Installer plugin. All right, so here you can see I have downloaded this plugin. Now log into your site. So install and activate the Easy Installer plugin. And after you activate the plugin, under settings, you will find Easy Installer. Click on it. It will bring up a page like this. Just enter and save your DApp license key and then follow the steps here. Step number 1, it's just going to let you know if your site meets the minimum requirement to run DApp. Step number 2, just click on this button to complete the DApp installation. And step number 3, DApp has a plugin called LiveLinks. You need to install this as well. So just click on this button to complete the LiveLinks plugin installation. LiveLinks has been installed successfully. Click here to activate the LiveLinks plugin. I'm going to click on Activate. DApp installation is complete. So after you install DApp, you will find DApp in the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Click on DApp. It will bring you to a page like this. Here, this is the DApp dashboard, and here you will find all of your reports. Click on Manage Products because everything in DApp is a product. Free offer, paid offer, subscriptions, online courses, everything is a product. So this is the DApp products page, and you will see there are 2 example products. You can click on the edit button to see how these products have been set up, or you can just click on Create New Product to add a new product in DApp. Now this is a new membership site. Before you create your products, first thing you should do is create your member-facing pages such as login page, content page, profile page. You can see it says here, we notice that you have not yet created member-facing pages. I'm going to click here to create member-facing pages, and DApp can generate all of these pages for you. But if you want to do it yourself, you can always do it in DApp member pages. You can select the pages you want to create and customize it. But even if DApp generates these pages for you, you can always edit it later. You can go to DApp member pages to edit the setting. All right, so these are the pages I want DApp to create. I'm also going to select these pages. If you want to offer an affiliate program, you can get DApp to generate an affiliate facing page where they will find their affiliate link and other stats. Member cancellation, so your members can self-cancel their subscription. If you don't want to create this page, you can just uncheck this box. So I'm going to select all of these options and give this a name. DApp will create these pages under this name. So if you want to change it, you can. If your WordPress is installed in a subfolder, for example, members or blog or WordPress, enter that here. If not, just leave it empty. Now on this site, WordPress is installed in the root folder. I'm just going to leave it empty. Then click to create member-facing pages. That's it. It says, congrats, your member-facing pages are now ready. And here are the pages. So you can see DApp has automatically created all of these pages. Now let's take a look in the front end and see how it looks. Let's start with the member homepage. So this is the member homepage. You can see this is how it looks by default. And currently on this site, I only have 2 example products, but this user does not have access to any of these products, which is why it's showing it under the You Might Be Interested in section. So as you add more products and services and courses and all that to your site, it's all going to show up under different sections, and all of this can be customized in the backend. This is the login page, so let's take a look at how this one looks. Now this is the default login page, and you can update the image, you can change this, you can update the text. You can do all of this in DApp member pages in the backend. You can edit the setting here. Now this is the My Content page, and you can now see it shows these 2 products that the admin has. And currently there's no content under this, there's just some dummy content, which is why it's showing like this. So this is the member profile page. This is how it looks by default. You can change the text, all of this that you see here in the backend. Now let's take a look at this page. This is the affiliate facing page where they will find their affiliate link, stats, performance summary, payment details, earning details, traffic stats, all of that. And again, everything can be customized in the backend. Member facing cancellation page. So this is a table. This is how it's going to look. Currently, I have not made any purchases here, and so that's why it's not showing anything. Now, if you go to DApp Setup Config page under Member Pages, you will find all the pages right here under member facing pages. You can see DApp has created all of these pages. All of this can be changed in DApp member pages, and just this member home page, which is created using the DApp's member engagement builder. This is the only page that you will find under member engagement, but all these other pages can be updated in DApp member pages. So if you want to change anything, go to DApp member pages and edit the settings. So now you can create a members menu. Under this, you can add all of your member facing pages. You can see all of these pages, login, member home. You can add all of this to the members menu and make it available in your members area. Now that we have created member facing pages, let's go ahead and create a few products. I'm going to show you how you can create a freebie, a free product in DApp, how you can use DApp to create membership levels, how you can use DApp to create an online course. I'm going to show you how you can use DApp to create payment plans and offer free trial, paid trial, different types of subscriptions. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's start with a free offer. So say that you want to use DApp to create and deliver your freebie. So click on create new product and give your product a name. So I'm just going to call it free download. You can give it whatever name you want, enter a description for the product. And then here you can designate the product as a free or a paid product. So this is a free product. So I'm going to set this to yes. Is this an online course? No. Is this a group membership? No. Access duration. Do you want to give your users full access when they sign up for the freebie or limited time access? So if it's limited time, how many days of access? So say that it's full access, save and next. And that's it. Basic setup is complete. Continue with the rest of the setup. So now that the basic product setup is complete, you can click on this button to assign content that's going to be part of this product. So say that you're not yet ready with your content. It's totally fine. You can just skip this step and you can come back to this later. But if you're ready with your content, just click on this button, select the content that's going to be part of this product, and it's going to show up here. And you can change the setting. By default, it's set to be available instantly because by default, drip is set to day 1, which means the content is not really dripped. It will be available to them instantly as soon as they sign up. But if you want to change the setting, just click on this editor icon here and change the setting. And you can give your content a friendlier name. This will appear on the My Content page. You can see this is the name currently, but you can change the name. And that's it. You can add as many pieces of content as you want for this product. And when someone signs up, this is the content that they are going to be able to access. And those that have not signed up for this product, they will not be able to access this content. Any content that's connected to a product, that's protected as part of a product, can only be accessed by users that have access to that product. Now, same content can be protected under multiple products. So if you have 2 products that has the exact same content, as long as the logged in members have access to any one of those products, they can access the content. All right. So all of this can be changed here. Moving on to the next step. So here, when someone signs up to a product, they are going to get this welcome email with their login credentials so they can log in and access their content. Everything that you see here is fully configurable. You can change the content. This is the default message. And you can see here, DApp will send them their email and password when they sign up. But again, you can change this to say whatever you want to say. For example, if you want to replace this with the URL of your login page, you can do that too. So you can fully change the contents of this email, but be sure to send them their login credentials, their email and password. All right, so the next step is advanced settings. Here you can set up your sales page, error page URL. Now, error page is the page to which users are redirected if they don't have access to the content that they are trying to access. Now, this is the default error page, but if you want to create a page in WordPress, you can do that. And you can set the URL of that page here. And if users try to access content that they don't have access to, they will be redirected to this page. And redirect post login. Now, this is the page to which users are going to be redirected when they log in and have access just to this one product. If they have access to multiple products, they will be redirected to the page you set in DApp global setting, which is in the setup config page. But if they just have access to this one product, they will be redirected here. And also the My Content page in DApp, when users click on Access My Content button, it will redirect them to the page that you set here. So if it's an online course, you can set the URL of your table of content page here. If it's a download, you can set the URL of the page. They can download the content from right here. And that's it. The product setup is complete. The next step is to generate a free sign-up form. So users can sign up through that form, and you can publish this form on your opt-in page. And users can sign up through that form. And when they sign up, they will get access to this free product in DApp, and they can access the content that you have set up under this free product using the email and password that gets sent to them when they sign up. You can go to the form builder in DApp to generate a free sign-up form for your product. When you click on form builder, it's going to bring up a page like this. And here you can click on create new form, give your form a name, select the product for which you're creating the form. Now redirect, where do you want to send the users that sign up? And if you want users to be automatically logged in when they sign up, you can set this to yes, otherwise leave it as no. and select a template. There are 2 templates. You can fully customize the template, add, remove fields. You can see there is a field customizer, there is a style customizer. Everything is click and edit. You can change the text. Let's go ahead and save it. Now this is the short code. You can publish it on your opt-in page. When they sign up, they will receive a welcome email with their login credentials. And when they log in, they will be sent to the members area where they can access the content that's part of this free product. All right. And also after you create the product, you can always make updates to it. Go to DApp, Manage Products page. Here you will find a list of all of your products. You can click on this edit button. It will bring you to the products page in the edit mode. And here you can update the settings. If you want to use your own sign-up form, you can do that too. Just edit the product in DApp. And in the last tab, you will find a free sign-up form code. Just copy this and insert it in the HTML section of your form. So let me show you how I do this with my page builder. I use Thrive Architect as my page builder plugin. This is the editor and it comes with a lead generation element. So this is the lead generation element, and say that this is what you want to use as your sign-up form and you want to connect this to the product in DApp. So copy the code from DApp under the HTML code section and just insert it in this section and generate the form. And also when you get the code from DApp, you will notice that there is a redirect tag that controls where the users land after they sign up. So by default, it's set to the login page, but you can remove this from here and replace this with the URL of the page to which you want users to be redirected when they sign up. And then enter this in your form builder, in your lead generation tool, and generate the form. And now when users sign up through this form, they will be automatically added to the product in DApp and they will be redirected to the page that you set here in the redirect tag. Now let's go ahead and create a one-off product. So click on create new product. Let's say it's a paid training and you want to offer this for a one-time fee. Give your product a name, description. Is this a free or paid product? It's not a free product. Product type, online course, group membership, no. And the billing and access details, is this a one-time product or a subscription? This is a one-time product. Product price, let's say you offer this for $50. Full access or limited time access, let's say users get full access to it when they buy it. And that's it. Continue with the product setup. Now here, same thing as what we did for the free product. All the steps are the same. Assign content that's part of this training. Say that you're not yet ready with the training content. You can just move on to the next step and you can always go to the DApp, Manage Products, edit the product setting and add the content when you are ready. All right. So let's go ahead and say save and next. Welcome email, same thing as the free product. Here you can set up the email that users get when they sign up, when they purchase this product. And you can update the contents of this email here. DApp will send them their login credentials in this email. So if your login page is here, this is the domain name /login, or you can just remove this from here and enter the full URL of your login page like this. It's completely up to you. Save and next. All right, so advanced tab, sales page, error page. This is the URL of the page to which they will be redirected when they log in. So if a user has access to multiple products, they will be redirected to the URL of the page that you set in the DApp global settings under setup config page. However, if the users have access just to this one product, they will be redirected here when they log in. So enter the URL of the page where they can access this training. Save and next. And that's it. Product setup is complete. So now you have your paid product, your paid training. And the next step is to create your payment buttons so you can sell this product. There are a few ways in which you can do this. You can create your payment button in Smart Pay Cart, which is our shopping cart plugin for DApp. SPC is really easy to use. Step 1 is to go to the settings page, enter your payment processor credentials there. This is something you just have to do once, and just enter your PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize.net, depending on whatever payment processor you want to use. Enter the settings there, and then create an order form, your checkout page. You can do that in the Manage Checkout. This is something you just have to do once. You can use the same checkout, same order form to sell different products. And once you have done these 2 steps, go to the Buy Now buttons page to create your payment buttons. SPC is made for DApp. It can pick up all the product details from DApp. So just select your product and just follow the steps there to create a payment button for your products in SPC. All right. So once you create your payment button, you can publish it on your sales page. Users, when they click on the button, they will be sent to the checkout page. And once they complete the payment, they will automatically receive access to this paid training in DApp, and they will be able to access the content that's part of the paid training. Once you know how to create a product in DApp, the rest of the process is super simple because it's the same process. You just follow the same steps to create your products. And also, if you use an external shopping cart platform to sell your products, that's fine too. Just integrate it with DAP. DAP integrates with several external shopping cart platforms as well. So you can use whatever platform you want to use to sell your products. Just integrate it with DAP. So when they complete the purchase, they will automatically receive access to your product in DAP. So say that you offer a free product and a paid product from your membership site. When users sign up for your free offer, you want to send them to the sales page of your paid product, and you want to set this up using DAP. It's really easy to do this. First, create your products in DAP, your free product and your paid product, and then edit your free product setting. In the last tab of your product setting, you will find free sign-up code, and you will find a redirect tag in the sign-up form code, and just set the redirect URL to point to the sales page of the product that you want to sell. So when users sign up, they will get access to the free product in DAP. DAP will send them the welcome email, and also they will get redirected to the sales page of your one-off product where you can thank them for signing up for your free offer and then make the paid offer. And even if you use the DAP form builder to generate a sign-up form for your free product, all you have to do is in the redirect tab, set the URL of your paid offer as the redirect so that when users sign up, they will land here. And again, you can thank them for signing up to your free offer. DAP will send them an email with their login and download credentials for the free offer that they just signed up for. But in the front end, you can redirect them to the sales page of your paid offer. I showed you how you can create a free product in DAP, how you can create a one-off product in DAP. Now let me show you how you can create one or more membership levels in DAP. Let's say you want to offer 3 different membership levels, silver, gold, and platinum. Let me show you how you can do this. Give your product a name. Let's say we start with the silver membership, and free or paid. This is a free product, no. Save and next. Is this an online course, group membership? No. Billing and access details, one time or subscription. Here I'm going to say it's a subscription product. Do you want to offer a trial, free, paid? No. And subscription, what's the subscription price? Let's say it's $30 a month. And total number of payments. All of these options are here. If you want to use a custom billing cycle, you can do that too. But I'm going to use monthly here. And payment until cancellation, unlimited. Save and next. Continue with the product setup. Same thing in the assign protect content section. You can assign content that's part of your silver membership. All right, so you have silver, gold, and platinum. So what you can do is first create your silver membership like we have done here. Assign content that's part of the silver membership. So say that this content is part of silver membership. This is just some random content. I'm just showing this to you as an example. Obviously, you can add as much content as you want. You can drip out your content. And all of that you can do here. Save and next. Same thing, welcome email. I'm not going to go over the details because we have looked at this already. All right, advanced setting, sales page, error page. Where do you want to send users when they log in? If all they have is just the silver membership, when they log in, this is where they will land. But if they have additional products, then where they land is based on what you have set up as the global post-login landing page in the DAP setup config page. All right, so now that we have created silver membership, all we have to do is click on this clone button to create a copy of this product, give it a different name, call it gold membership, and then add the additional content that's part of the gold membership. And then when gold membership is ready, we can do the same, create a clone of the gold membership. It will copy over all of the content from the gold membership level. And then all you have to do is change the name, change the pricing information, and add the additional content that's part of the gold membership. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to click on this clone button, enter product name, gold membership. That's it. We have the gold membership level. I'm just going to change the product description, billing and access details. Let's say this is $50 a month, and notifications. Welcome email. If you want, you can change the contents of this email. In the content responder tab, it has copied over the content. Gold membership will get everything that silver members have, but they will also get additional content. And so now you can drag and drop additional content that's part of the gold membership. In the advanced tab, you can enter the redirect, the post login URL for your gold membership. You can set up cancellation rules to let DAP know what should happen if users cancel their subscription. So there are different options here. If you want to remove their access to product instantly, you can do that. If you want to allow them to keep access until the end of the current billing cycle, you can use this option. You can also trigger automation rules, product chaining rules, and stuff like that here. So you can do this later when you're creating your product for the first time. You can just use the default option, and you can always update the setting later. Now we have silver membership and gold membership. You can follow the exact same steps to create your platinum membership. So here is the gold membership. Click on the clone button and change the description, update the pricing. In the notifications tab, if you want to update the email, you can add all the additional content, and that's it. The product creation is complete. Now we have created 3 membership levels. And now what you can do is, if you want to sell these memberships, now you can go to Smart Pay Card to the buy button page, and you can create 3 different payment buttons, one for each membership level. So say that you have a membership site, you offer different membership levels, you also offer different online courses, trainings, one-off products. Your users can sign up for these products individually, or they can join your membership site and get access to all of these products and courses for free as part of their membership. You can create all of your one-off products in DApp. You can create payment buttons in SPC to sell these products. You can sell these products individually for a one-time fee. But if you have these membership levels and you want to give users access to all the other products for free as part of their membership, just click on this chaining under each membership level. It will bring you to the product chaining page. Here you can create rules to give users access to other products and services when they sign up for your membership. For example, if a user is added to Gold membership, also give them access to, let's say, Test Course 1. And if you want to send a welcome email from each individual product when they get access, you can do that too. Otherwise, you can say do not send a welcome email from each individual product and create the rule. So you can see here, right here, it says when a user gets access to Gold membership, automatically give them access to this product. If you want to give them access to another product, just create rules for each product. And when users sign up for the Gold membership, they will automatically receive access to all of these additional products. All right. And you can also set up remove rules. So if a user loses access to the Gold membership, so if they cancel their membership, if you want them to also lose access to all these other additional products that they got as part of the Gold membership, you can do that. You can say also remove from all of these individual products. So you can create remove rules for each one of these products as well. Now let's take a look at how you can use DApp to create and deliver an online course. DApp comes with an advanced learning management system where you will not need a different plugin to manage your courses. You can do it all using DApp. So let's take a look at this. Everything in DApp is a product. So the exact same process to create an online course. Just click on create new product. It will bring you here. Give it a name, description. Is this a free product? No. Is this an online course? Yes. Course structure, modules and lessons, or just lessons. Course progress, allow access to the next lesson only if the previous lesson is completed. This is what we recommend because this will allow DApp to track everything. How long they spent on each lesson, when they started the lesson, when they completed the lesson, did they complete the entire course? All of that tracking can only happen if users click a button after they complete each lesson to let you know that they have completed the lesson. Same thing, billing and access details, just like any other product. Is this a one-time or a subscription product? And what's the product price? Let's say it's $50. Access duration, full access or limited time access, and continue with the setup. Assign and protect content. So let's go ahead and click on this module number 1. And here is module number 1. Now you can click on this button to add lessons. So the cool thing about Dapp's LMS is that you can create your lessons in WordPress. You can use whatever page builder you like to create your lesson content, or you can just use regular WordPress editor. That's fine too. So here you can see I have created 2 lessons. Now just dummy lessons, there's no content right now. You don't have to have your lesson content ready to create your course in Dapp. You just need to create these pages in WordPress, but it could be completely empty. You don't have to add anything yet. So here I have 2 lessons, I have these pages, but nothing yet as far as the content. But when you're ready, you can build these pages using your page builder. In my case, I use Thrive Architect. I use it to create my lessons. But you can use whatever page builder you like or just regular WordPress editor, no restriction. So here when you click on add lessons, it will show you all the pages you have in WordPress. So select the lessons that's part of this module. I'm going to select these 2 lessons, add lessons. So you can see here, these are the lessons and it's part of module number 1. If you're ready with all of your lessons, you can build out your course structure. Click on add module, add additional modules, and continue to add lessons to each module. But if you're not, you can always go to the Dapp products page, edit the course, and then add additional modules, lessons, whatever you want to do, you can always do that later. So that's why you don't have to wait until all of your course content is ready to build out your course structure in Dapp, because you can finish all of this and then continue to build your course. Welcome email, you can send a welcome email with the login credentials to your users when they sign up for the course. Same thing with advanced setting. Now here, the redirect, you can set this to the first lesson of your course, or you can set this to the table of content page. So what will happen is when users log in, and if they only have access to this one course, they will be sent to the first lesson of your course and they can just get started with it. And also in the member homepage where DAP displays all the product boxes, all the courses that users have enrolled in, the access course button or get started button, it will link to whatever you set up here. So here you can enter the table of content page. So when they click on access this course, they will land on the table of content page, or you can enter the URL of your first lesson so they can get started with the course. Next. All right, so the course setup is complete in DAP. And here you can see that DAP generates these short codes, and all you have to do is publish it in each one of your lesson pages. There are 3 main short codes. Course outline. So you can create a table of content page in WordPress, call it whatever you want, and just insert this short code on that page so users can find a list of all the modules and lessons that are part of that course. And you can create multiple course outlines, one for your table of content page, and you can create another one that you can add to the sidebar of your lesson. So each lesson, you can have a course outline so they can see all the lessons, what they have completed and what's still left. They can see the entire outline. You can generate as many course outlines as you want for the same course, no restriction. Course progress bar, this is for users to know what % they have completed, what's still left. So you can publish it on each one of your lesson pages. And mark as complete button. This one is very important because you need to add this towards the bottom of your lesson pages. Each lesson needs to have this, and it's the same for the entire course. What this means is every lesson gets the same shortcode. All the 3 you can see is the exact same one for each lesson. It's not going to change based on the lesson. DAP will figure out what lesson they are on. So you don't have to do anything special for each lesson. Just enter the same shortcode in each one of your lesson pages for a given course. It's going to be different for different courses, but if you have one course, then all the lessons in that course is the same shortcode. Typically, the way I do it is I create one lesson and then I use a template that I like. And once I like how the page looks, the layout, the format, everything, then I insert all the shortcodes that I get from DAP on that lesson page. And once that lesson is ready, I just click on the clone button to create a copy of that lesson and call it lesson number 2. And now I can edit the lesson number 2, just change the content because the shortcode is not going to change. It's the same shortcode for all the lessons in a course. So all I have to do now is update the content, change the video, and change the content for lesson number 2, but nothing else has to change. It makes it really easy because now I don't have to insert shortcode on every single page. It's already there because it's a clone of the previous lesson. So this is how I create my courses. But if you want to first create all of your lessons and then build the course in DAP, that's fine too. You just have to insert the shortcode, especially the mark as complete shortcode, in each lesson page towards the bottom of that page. That's it. So after you create the course in DAP, if you go to the DAP Manage Products page, you will find your course here. And just like any other product, you can click on Edit to update the settings. Now, DAP automatically generates the shortcodes that you can publish on your lesson pages. But if you want to edit it, if you want to change the setting, just go to Courses. Here, find your course. And if you click on Shortcodes, it will show you all the shortcodes. So course outline, if you want to update it, click on it. It will bring you to the course outline page. And click on this edit icon here to edit the settings. So here you can see this is the course. And display options if you want to display course name, course description, module name, and module description. So you can configure different options for your course outline. And how many lessons do you want to display in the course outline? So if you want to just display the module names, and if you want to have all the other lessons in a collapsed state, you can do that. Show modules in collapsed state. Yes, so it will display all the modules, but everything will be collapsed and users can expand to see all the lessons in a module. So if you want to create different course outline shortcodes, one which displays all the modules and lessons in an expanded form by default, you can create one shortcode for it, and you can create a completely new shortcode for the same course. You can create as many shortcodes as you want with a completely different setting. And here you can have it display in a collapsed state. So for example, for your lessons, you may want to use this format where all the modules are displayed, but everything is in a collapsed state and users can expand on it. And you can see there is a style customizer. You can use it to customize the style. You can change things here. This is the default setting. So now I'm going to copy this shortcode, publish it on a course outline page, and show you how it looks. So here you can see this is a page in WordPress. I have just entered the shortcode right here directly in the WordPress editor, and you can use your page builder and enter the shortcode there. This is how it looks in the front end, and you can configure a different shortcode for your lesson pages. It's completely up to you, no restrictions. You can create as many course outline shortcodes as you want, each with a different look for your courses in DAP. Now let's take a look at two other shortcodes, progress bar and lesson complete. Let's start with progress bar, and you can see here this is the shortcode. I'm going to copy this and insert it in the lesson page. So here, this is my first lesson. I have created this using my page builder. I use Thrive Architect as my page builder plugin, and I have just some dummy content here. I'm just going to insert the progress bar shortcode right here and save it. All right, so this is the shortcodes for this course. I'm going to click on lesson complete, and here is the shortcode for this lesson. I'm just going to copy this and insert it in my lesson page. I'm going to insert it towards the bottom of this lesson right here. Save. So I have the course progress bar shortcode right here. I have the lesson complete shortcode right here. Now let's take a look at this in the front end. So this is the first lesson. You can see here, this is the progress bar, and this is the mark as complete button. Now I have a course called Let's Build an Online Course. I have created this course completely using DApp's LMS, and this is the first lesson in this course. This is the progress bar, and this is the table of content. I have two different table of content shortcodes, one that I use on my table of content page, which is a little bit wider, and another one that I use in my lesson pages, and just a little bit different format. Here you can see all the modules. By default, it's in collapse state, and users can expand to see all the lessons under each module. And you can see here there's this mark as complete button, and when users click on this button, it shows this message that you can configure in the backend in DApp. I'm going to show you this in a bit. When users complete the lesson and click on the mark as complete button, the next lesson button will open up, and it will allow them to go to the next lesson. So this is lesson number 2, and the same thing. You can see there is a progress bar here, there is a table of content, and there is a mark as complete button. So the way I do this is I create one lesson, I insert all the shortcodes like you can see here, the progress bar, the table of content, and the mark as complete shortcode. Then after that, all I do is I clone the page. It will automatically copy over all the shortcodes, and then I just update the content for the next lesson. You can go to DApp courses page, and here under manage courses, you can find a list of all the students that have enrolled for your course and also the course progress. So for example, this is one of my courses, Let's Build an Online Course. I'm going to click on this. This will show you a list of all the students that have enrolled and the date they started, recent activity date, certificates that they have earned, and course progress. Now the course progress will give you a detailed breakdown. When you click on view details, it will show you a detailed breakdown. You can see how much time your students are spending on each lesson in your course. So you can see here this user spent just 15 seconds on the introduction lesson, which is to be expected because I have the exact same video in my introduction lesson as I have on my opt-in page. So it's the same one. So this user skipped that one, but I can see that this user spent 7 minutes on the next one, which is correct because that's how long my video is. It's about 6-7 minutes long. And list building module, here I can see this user actually completed the entire module and actually spent the right amount of time on pretty much all the lessons in this module. And this is really exciting as a course creator because you can see how much time your students are spending on each lesson, which ones they are skipping, which ones they are actually completing. And if you see that a big percent of people are not completing certain lesson or skipping certain lesson or skipping certain module, then you will have the data that you need to make it better, right? To make changes to it. So all the lessons are video lessons in this course, and most of them are 6 minutes long. Some of them are a little bit shorter, but most are 5 to 6 minutes long. And I can see that this user completed most of the lessons in this module. And also if users want to restart the course, you can click on this reset button. And also if you use our Smart Quiz Builder plugin to create quizzes, blocking quizzes, where users need to complete the quiz or pass the quiz to go to the next lesson, you will also find the quiz results here. So you can see here under each lesson, there is a quiz column here. And if there is a quiz connected to it, you will find the quiz result, and you can click on the view results button to see how much they scored and their answers and all of that. So as you can see, DApp's LMS is already pretty advanced and we are not done yet. We are still continuing to make it better. The number of things you can do with DApp, there is no membership plugin that even comes close to the power of DApp. DApp is the most complete WordPress membership plugin. To learn more about DApp and all the different features, go to digitalaccesspass.com and you will find all the key features listed there. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please do let us know. My name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder and co-developer of DApp. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.